इंग्लिश कमांड में। सर मेरा स्क्रीन शेयर हुआ था।
Yes.
Introduction to computer. Fill in the blanks. A computer comes from Latin word computare. Computer is the versatile machine. Computer allows customers to make withdraw money via ATM. Excuse me, sir. If the
Continue. I'm recording, okay?
Okay, sir. If the data and instruction given are correct, the result given by computer will always correct. This term is known as garbage in, garbage out. A computer can do operation automatically as it is already to do so. Match the following: 1024 bytes, 1 kilobytes. 1024 kilobytes, 1 megabyte. 1024 megabyte, 1 gigabyte. 1024 gigabyte, 1 terabyte. 1024 terabyte, 1 petabyte. True, false. With the data also we can perform the task. False. Computer takes its own decision. False. Computer gives always 100% accurate result. True. Computer gives always 100% accurate result. True. Computer cannot be used in scientific research. False. Computer can control traffic. True. What is computer? A computer is an electronic machine which inputs data, instruction, stores and process it and produce output in desired form. List the basic characteristics of computer. Basic characteristics of computer are as follows: speed, automatic, accuracy, diligence, versatility, no feeling. Computer is called versatile machine. Why? Computer is called versatile machine because it can perform wide variety of tasks. Write any 5 places where are computer widely used. Computer are widely used in school, in office, in bank, in film, a hospital. Advantage of computer. Computer gives always 100% accurate result. Computer are impartial. Computer does its work automatically. Computer solves its work automatically. Write any 4 advantages and disadvantages of computer. Disadvantages of computer are: computer cannot decide by itself. It is expensive machine. Technical manpower required to operate computer. Data security problem may occur. How are computers used in school? Being actively used in various educational institutes like school, college, and big universities. Computers are used to aid the learning process of students. Professors in college and teachers in school take help from audio-visual techniques to prepare lessons plan for children. In office, some of many uses of computer in office work are writing letters, sending emails, scheduling meetings, and collaborating with co-workers and clients. This has extended to mobile devices, which are professional use now to read and respond to email, access business files, update social media, and more. In bank, modern banks use computer for storing files, financial information, and processing transaction trailers and other employees also use them to log information. Customers often use computer for online banking. Computer have revolutionized accounting and bookkeeping, and banks were some of the first to switch the computers. Thank you.
Okay, Savita, you have done very nicely. You have presented. So other students used to know from her that say the background was dark and the words which she has presented were very light. So and animations were very professional placed. Okay, it's very good. So Savita, very nicely presented. Thank you.
Thank you.